Hi everyone. I'm going to talk about the population growth today. I am using the Gapminder tool. The country that I have chosen to talk about is Suriname, South Africa, China, Afghanistan, Spain. Before I start with my presentation, I want to show you guys the tool that I've used. Here is the color tool to give all the countries a different color. I have also chosen here the 5 countries that I'm going to talk about. You can choose a country, which country you want to. I have chosen these 5 countries. Here is the time option. Here you can put your subject. The time I will be starting at 1960. Here we can also find other options to make changes to your presentation. So I'm going to start now with my presentation, and I'm going to show you the population growth between these 5 countries in these different kinds of times. I'm going to click here now. As you can see, the population, the bubbles are going really fast now. I'm going to pause it for a minute. Here you can see that Suriname is at the lowest point of the population growth. Then we have South Africa. South Africa is at the highest point. Then we have Afghanistan. Then we have China, Spain, and as I said, Suriname is at the bottom. This is in 1976. So as you can see, South Africa is increasing. Here we can see Afghanistan is at the bottom. Suriname is at the 3rd place. Suriname was in 1976 at the bottom. And we have South Africa at the 1st place. China at the 3rd place. Spain 4th place. And Afghanistan 5th place. Afghanistan is now in the bottom. As you can see, Afghanistan whoa, here is a big difference. Look, in 1984, Afghanistan was at the bottom, and then he increased it here in 1995. In 1995, Afghanistan increased their population growth. They were at the highest point at that moment. On the 2nd place, we have South Africa. On the 3rd place, we have Suriname. On the 4th place, we have China. And the 5th place, we have Spain. Now Afghanistan is dropping. Spain is increasing. Here we can see Afghanistan dropped. Spain is at the 2nd place. South Africa is at the 3rd place, that's in 2006. Suriname at the 4th place, and China at the 5th place. So Afghanistan is the only country that made big difference. Suriname also made big difference, as you can see here. It really made a big difference about the population growth. Spain, not that much. And then we have Sheena. Sheena at the beginning we saw that Sheena dropped and then it increased and then it was on one level. It was on one level, but Afghanistan, it made big changes. It increased and then it got down and then it increased and now it's getting down. So let's see what the population growth of this of the countries will end with. So in the end, that's 2015, we see that Afghanistan is at the first place as always, South Africa at the second place, Suriname at the third place, China at the fourth place, and Spain on the fifth place.